So our project is health monitoring system using GSM and server. Actually, we are doing sensing the pulse rate of a patient, and we are sending this pulse rate to the server. We are sensing the pulse rate in every 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds, we are taking around 10 seconds to send this pulse to the server. We are also using a PIR sensor. PIR sensor actually used to we are simply connected. We can connect one buzzer with this PIR sensor. Actually, right now we are connected simple LED for to this PIR sensor, and this GSM module. Actually, this is used to send to connect our this module to the network, to a server, or we can connect to a GSM. Now we are starting our demonstration. Now we can see here our module is resetted. Now module is trying to initialize some initial things. Right now we have setted both admin and doctor as a single mobile number. We can see initially we will get one this pop-up message to a admin mobile number, and admin we already set save the admin mobile number and doctor mobile number to this mobile number, single mobile number. Now we can see our sensor is started sensing the pulse rate. Because right now we have not put our finger on this sensor, that's why we got a pulse rate below 40, around 3. So this now this 3 will go to the server. So right now this command AT command is executing to send this pulse rate to the server. After sending this pulse rate to the server, because this pulse rate is below 40, we will get immediate call to this mobile number. We have to wait around 10 to 15 seconds. We have to wait. We are using actually TCP protocol, and port is 8080. Now we are connected to a network. You can see we are using this URL. Data is successfully sent to a server. Now AT command will executed for this call. You can see
we will get soon a call on this mobile number, on this phone.
You can see we got it. And
now we have put our finger on our pulse sensor, and it will sense the pulse rate of the patient, and you can see our system starts sensing the pulse rate of patients, and it will stop
20 seconds.
After a 20 second. You can see the pulse rate is 99.
Now our GSM module is trying to send this pulse rate to the server. We can see our pulse rate to the server.
You can see on screen 99 has been displayed.
Now your doctor is trying to access the data from the server. So to access data from the server, doctor have to send one command, which is get
#server underscore server data.
Now we are trying to send this.
We have sent this command, get server data command, Now doctor will get the patient's pulse rate record through server. First, all the server's data will downloaded by our SIM 800 module, and Tiva will convert this data into some
Text.
readable text form, and the same data will resend it by our SIM 800 module to our doctor's number. So it will take some
Around 20 to 30 seconds.
20 to 30 seconds. You can see that the recent data from server is downloaded
Now,
by our SIM 800 module.
now SIM 800 is trying to send this data to our.
Now this data
This send only data.
we will get soon this data to our doctor's phone number.
It will take some time.
So you can see
This last digit is our pulse rate. Because we have not put it our finger, that's why we got some random
Some
0,
raw
0,
data.
0 and some random data. Our last data is 99. We got here. We also got the time and date.
time and date.
And this PIS sensor actually used for
This is for emergency purpose. For example, patients want to communicate with the hospital staff as he needs some things or some food. So he can put our hand in front of the sensor, and this the LED will glow. This LED
we can connect.
we can connect a buzzer also, but for demonstration purpose we use just a LED of Tiva board.